Welcome back for a quick update. So now I have the track for the commuter line installed around the layout. And I'm running it off this little unit here. So I'm just going to give it a quick trip round. This wouldn't normally be on this track. It's just, I thought it would be a good size of loco to test. So the next step is to isolate the track and add in the diodes. And I'll need to search to see if I've got some diodes and get the little unit attached after the power unit. Now maybe give it another test, and we'll put the Caledonian single on there. See how it fares. So it makes a little bit of noise. I'm not sure if it's a result of using this unit with that locomotive, but it is a bit noisy. So that's a quick update on my commuter track for the shuttle service. And check in again and see what the next development's going to be. And remember to give me the big thumbs up. Thanks very much, and we'll see you here back at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.